Hi, I'm Wendy. This is a demonstration of the new MathWorks Help Center and the changes in R2020A in MATLAB on how to search for customized documentation. Let's begin with the first demonstration of the new MathWorks Help Center on MathWorks website. Here is the new navigation. From examples to functions, to videos or answers in the community, you'll likely find content that will help you with your project regardless of what you're working on. Let's say that you're learning about ground truth labeling using the automated driving toolbox. You probably already know that there are examples and functions on this topic, but did you know there are videos and answers on this topic as well? The new Help Center also allows you to see what's in related categories using the left-hand navigation. Pretty cool. Upon clicking on a video, it will play automatically. You can find related videos on the right-hand side, or you can explore related categories using the left-hand side. Here's an answer on this topic. Answers show questions, comments, and answers from technical support, other MathWorks staff, and members of the community. After reading through the page, trying to decide where to go next, if you still have a question, you can also post a question in the community. You can also search from any page on Help Center. Let's try searching for the word position. Here you see Type Ahead. The Type Ahead feature will show you direct links to documentation pages which match your search phrase. However, if you go ahead and search by clicking Enter, you'll search across all resources in the Help Center. You can filter by category using the left-hand side, or you can also filter by resource type using the top navigation. This concludes demonstration number 1. Let's check out demo number 2. This is demonstration number 2, how to search for customized documentation starting in R2020A. In R2020A, we introduced a new way to search and filter for non-MathWorks authored documentation. Let's say you're in MATLAB and you open Add-on Explorer. Once in Add-on Explorer, you discover and install the FSDA toolbox. Once the toolbox has been successfully installed, open the documentation. Here, you'll see on the left-hand side that the documentation for the new toolbox appears. If you click on it, you'll see the relevant documentation. This design is the same as previous versions of MATLAB. The change only occurs when searching. Let's go ahead and search for the word position again. The results shown are for non-MathWorks results. You can see this by looking on the left-hand side at the new facet called Refine by Source. If you want to see MathWorks results, simply click the toggle. Note that the toggle will default to the source of the previously viewed page. This concludes both of our demonstrations. We've shown you the Help Center with its new navigation at both the top and the left-hand side, and the changes when searching for non-MathWorks customized documentation starting in R2000A. Now, I'll switch over to the video conferencing, and we welcome your comments and feedback.